Black and white is one of the bucks, and white or the beige one. This guy. These are the bucks. Okay, let's go get the eggs. I think somebody just laid an egg. She was making that buck noise. I have fenced off the chicken area because otherwise the goats get in and try to eat the chicken food. But they're free range the whole time. I used to lock them up, but now I don't. They're here to say hi. Oh, hello ladies. You guys are hungry. Okay. Let's go get your eggs. Whoa. Let's see. Somebody's laying out somewhere where they're supposed to. Okay. There's the eggs. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a weird shape. I got bunch bags. I lost the count. Okay. They're complaining, taking their eggs. So one of the things that I do is I give them this oyster shell. Every time I collect eggs, I take a few handfuls and leave it out so they can eat. I don't mix it with their food or anything. I just give them as a supplement, and then I feed them. That's for my mixing bowls. I use this bowl to bring my leftovers. I was looking for it. Last time I forgot. Put my eggs down. I feed them the organic, natural, best organic feed for egg layers. It comes in a crumble. So, and before I used to feed them in this egg feeder that you see on the top, but they waste it so much. So unless I'm going out of town or for the weekend or something, I don't use the food feeder. I feed them daily, so there's no wastage at all. You know, you just come and feed them. And sometimes when I have extra things, they will not eat this food as much. Like you can see that green color beef. You know, I had a grass-fed organic beef, but we didn't end up eating it, and so I brought it for them. It was too old for me, but it's still good for them. So I wanted to do a little review on the breeds that I have. There's the Buff Orpington in the buff color, which is the yellowish color, and these black ones are actually the sex-linked, black sex-linked chicken. The one over there in red brown color is the red sex-linked, and the black and white one is Cuckoo. She's the one who gave the dark brown egg. All the others give me brown. Okay, so the one that has this multi-color, like this one, she's very shy. If I touch her, she might go. She's the one who lays this blue egg. This blue egg is, the breed is called Americana or Easter egger. She's not like the pure French Americana or something like that, because those don't have a tail. She obviously does, but she does give me a blue egg, and she does not lay every single day, but she does lay every other day. So if you're looking for production, then Easter eggers or Americanas are not going to be producing every single day. Sometimes she'll give me like 3 days in a row, but she'll skip a day, at least a couple of days a week. These are pretty young. They just started laying maybe like 2 months ago. Here's the dark brown egg. This is the regular brown egg, and this is the dark brown egg. I don't know if you can see it. So the dark brown is given by the Cuckoo, that's right there. I had 2 of them. One of them accidentally died because she got stuck under something, and she got stuck under something while we were out on vacation. So I lost one chicken that trip. She was very pretty, just like her. Here are my rest of the chickens. They're all resting. There's a barred rock. She lays a brown egg 6 days out of week, like 6 days out of the 7 days. Buff Orpington are pretty similar to barred rock in laying comparison. But the sex links, they give me an egg every single day. So if you want a certain amount of eggs daily, then you gotta go for the sex links, is my recommendation. Now this one over here, this chicken with this beautiful yellow neck and this nice feather colors, I don't know what color they are, like they're buff with black dots on it. That is called Sicilian Buttercup. She is supposed to lay white egg, and she is almost 6 months old, but she has not started laying eggs. She is the shyest chicken out of all the chicken. And I'm not sure when she'll start laying eggs, but I'm supposed to get 1 white egg from her. And so far, she has not laid any. Yeah, are you posing for the camera? I thought you were very shy. Not for the camera, I guess. Okay, so that's the water. I just fill it up every 3-4 days. They are not in this area all the time. They'll go in that goat area and they'll just go out as soon as it's nice and cool in the evenings or in the early morning. They are out and about. They are not in here, but right now it's kind of warm and sunny, so they are enjoying some shade. Yeah, So they'll go over there where the goats are, and there's like a water thing over there, like a 100-gallon water trough, and they'll get up on it if it's full, and they'll drink some water from there. Yep, I forgot my bowl again. And let me show you my chicken coop. It's actually, let me show it to you from far. Okay, this is actually, I'm not sure what it's called, like a loafing pen, three-sided loafing. That I got for like $200 from Craigslist. Somebody was selling it. I used it initially for my goats, and I love it. It's not very big at all, but it's so useful. It's probably 10 feet, no, 12 feet by 6 feet wide and 7-8 feet tall. 7 feet tall, maybe, something like that. It does not have a door. So I had a dog kennel that was not working, and well, actually we had like a little mini tornado, and it blew my dog kennel and just messed it up completely, so it was not usable anymore. And it actually took it over on the other side of the fence in my neighbor's yard. So I decided to keep whatever broken down stuff was. Hello, stop pecking me. Yes, hi. You need attention. Yes, you do. Okay. I don't have a rooster, so I think I am a rooster or something. I don't know. Every time I raise my hand to touch them, they'll usually sit down. Anyways, yeah, so I'm using this dog kennel, one of the sides, just an empty bucket to hold the door. And I use this to close the chicken coop if I need to. Let me go back so I can show you. Yeah, it's not fancy at all, but it works. And I have some bricks here because there's some gaps over there, so I don't want any raccoon or something to dig under. Probably they could, but so far in the last 6 months I've not had any issues. The only thing I see over here every day is hawks, and the hawks are used to these chickens. I think these chickens are too heavy for them. I have 13, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One chicken is missing. No idea where she is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I got 13 chickens. Yeah, so inside here I can probably screw some roosting, you know, like these roosting wood, but I have not done that. I just use cement blocks to keep them off the ground, and that's what I've been using. Because I didn't want to keep it diagonally, that would restrict me from going in, and if I keep it over here on the left side, you know, this side does not have a wall, so I can't really screw it from this side to that side vertically like I want. So this is why I'm using this. I could have made a ladder type of roosting, and I could lean it to this wall and it would have like 3 or 4 roosting bars on it, but this works for me. This is more than enough for my 13 chickens, so, and that's plenty of eggs for me. So yeah, and then this is the nesting box that I made. It's nothing fancy. Saw it on YouTube. I think it was Becky's homestead video, and she has this nesting box. You know, it tells you how to cut the hole, and so far it's working. I've not even attached it to anything, or I've just put the box here with some grass clippings, and it seems to work. There are some chickens that go to sleep on top of this box, and that's why it's so disgusting. I just clean it when I change the hay over here, like grass clippings. I don't actually put hay. For my lawn mowing, whatever hay I have or grass clippings I have, I just dump it in here, and they like it, and it makes my cleaning very easy. That's the main reason. I am going to add one more nesting box because, like we saw today, there was an egg laying outside, and makes me think that somebody wanted to lay egg and there was not enough room inside, so they did that. But that's one more project that I will do one day. I need to do some cleanup, pick up some stuff. And yes, that's it. That's all I wanted to do a video of. I'm so excited for this fall to see how my goatees do and who gets bred and how many kids we're gonna have. So I'll keep you guys posted. Have a good day. Bye bye.